Hey, this is Jason from Inequip, and I wanted to talk a little bit about how incorporating conveyors into your fleet is an underutilized way of increasing revenue for your rental house. Having 25 years of experience in the conveyor industry, we have seen conveyors used in countless scenarios. We like to say that conveyors are only limited to an end user's imagination. Here are 3 steps to renting and cross-renting our conveyors. Number 1, look for the ideal projects. Starting with the basics, what does a conveyor do and why should you consider buying one? Wherever your customers are moving material in, out and around a construction site, building or property, conveyors can offer a safe and efficient way to get material from point A to point B. When we first started selling in North America to the national accounts, Sunbelt, Herc, United, they didn't know what they didn't know about conveyors, and now they've become our most loyal clients. Now, I've been to many different construction sites and I've seen this. This is what we call a bucket brigade. It's painfully slow, labor intensive and expensive. We recently replaced another bucket brigade down on Wall Street. The contractor used our brand new link-up conveyor and reduced the estimated completion time from 1 month to just 1 week. Now, take a look at this list. This is a list of every industry that we have sold conveyors into. If you work in construction, demolition, tunneling, utilities, remodeling, basement dig-outs, crawl spaces, underpinning work, etc., you are potentially leaving money on the table. Number 2, upsell with your earth-moving equipment. Not only do our conveyors plug into standard 110 volt 15 amp power supply, internally the power gets converted up to 3-phase. This is why pairing up your mini excavator, small skid steers and dingos with our conveyors is a great upsell. Back to the list I mentioned earlier, remember how I said if you serve people in these industries and aren't selling them conveyors or renting them conveyors, you are potentially leaving money on the table. That is because conveyors can decrease your labor costs dramatically. Less labor costs means a contractor is likely to win more bids and therefore benefit everyone involved. At the end of the day, we know contractors would rather hire less people and pocket more money. Best of all, the ROI on one conveyor is roughly 6 to 8 months and can last up to 10 years, potentially a 2000% ROI. And finally, number 3, minimize downtime. It doesn't matter what equipment you're renting, at some point, wear parts will need to get replaced. We pride ourselves on having the most durable parts of any conveyor company in the industry. We offer free year-round technical support and a same-day dispatch on all link-kit parts. These are available to be purchased through SmartEquip. Conveyors can work on virtually any project, so get creative and remember, the applications are only limited to your imagination.